Now this is only in power mode 2 here. Tops out at about 25, 27 miles an hour. It's so weird to be able to ride a bike and talk. And I think you guys will be able to hear me, actually. Ooh, almost ran over a squirrel. It's so strange being able to ride down these tracks and ride trails again. I wouldn't have even dreamed of doing this on the gas bikes. Especially the two-strokes. I mean, the 212, yeah, that could have done it. But the little two-stroke bikes, nah, I wouldn't have even bothered. Wouldn't be fun. The places where you'd want a motor the most, they'd be useless. Yeah, we'll keep going this way. Like here, I could drop it down into 1 and just hold the throttle wide open, and it'll just leave me sit at about 14 miles an hour. Getting into the technical shit. Dead fox, nice, nice. Poor little fella. Yeah, it's gonna take some getting used to throwing around, 120, 130 pounds worth of bike here. Like right now, I'm pinned on the throttle and I'm doing 12 miles an hour, using about 400 watts. Bump it back up to 2. Ah, fucker. Slid out on the track. What the fuck is that? Alright, and we're off. This is just such a fun machine. Hey, don't get me wrong, I love the gas bikes. I love the sound of a well-tuned motor, 2-stroke, 4-stroke, rotary, whatever. They're all good. But this is just something totally different. You got your power on demand, you hit the throttle and it just goes. And there's no sound. You get to take in nature and enjoy it. And the suspension on this thing is amazing. With these forks that Ryan Kellett hooked me up with from Vicious Velocipedes, and the D&M RCP2, the D&M burner shock on the back with the Fox. I have a Fox 650 pound spring 2.8 inch stroke because the 550 was just too soft for all the weight. And it rides like a dream. And the nice, the fat dual sport tires on there, very nice. Show you guys a little hill climb action here. Ooh, she does it like a dream. Alright, I'm in pedal mode, well, just assist mode 2. Oh, that is too fucking cool, man. Took me up the side of that dike like it was nothing. Woo! Fuck, I love this thing. Holy shit. Oh yeah, there's some nice holes there. Man, it's been so long since I rode these trails. Woohoo, almost took my head off on that one. Sorry for hitting you guys off the frame like that. Right here, deer. Wow, this is way different from when I was younger. Fucking mud. What's over this way now? Oh, okay. Alright. Still brings you to the pond. Cool. There goes a crane. What a beautiful shithole. Look at that big guy. I don't know, he's gone now. So yeah. Unfortunately, I don't have a kickstand yet. That's gonna go up in there. But there she is. In all her glory. Oh yeah, check this out. This is pretty cool too. It has a key fob. There's an alarm. I could lock it, unlock it, keyless turn it on. But yeah, check this out. Hit the lock. Said hit the lock. Oh, wait, let me turn it off. Hit that lock. Now watch, I'll shake the bike. And boop. Pretty slick, eh? Alright boys, I'm beat. I'm going home. Have a good one and stay safe out there.